Welcome to the How to Marvin video series. In this video, I will show you how to enhance your drawings with shapes and scribbles. Shapes are accessible in Marvin from the left toolbar. You can choose from a variety of geometrical and other objects. They can be placed by selecting them from the toolbar and clicking on the canvas. They will be placed in their default size and ratio. Otherwise, clicking and dragging enables you to manually set the dimensions. Holding Shift during placing of rectangles, triangles, and ellipses enables the creation of squares, equilateral triangles, and circles. Holding Shift during resizing will keep the original ratio. Other shapes, such as spheres, stars, scissors, and others, have fixed ratios. They cannot be distorted, only their size can be set. When selecting a shape, line color, fill color, and line style options appear when available. In case of some shapes, the line color is set by default. The fill color of the object, as well as its opacity, can be set from the drop-down menu. By right-clicking on the shape, you can adjust its position in relation to other shapes. In addition to color, a drop shadow can be selected and added to the shapes. The position of the drop shadow can be then changed by rotating the object. In line style, the weight of the outlines can be specified, and so can their style when available, dashed or solid. It is possible to add color to the outlines by either using the line color button or the color tool from the bottom of the toolbar. By using Marvin's scribble tool, you can note down ideas or add complementary sketches to your drawing area. The scribble can then be selected, dragged, rotated, resized, and color can be applied to it as well. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about Marvin, click the link below and enjoy more of our content.